Otherwise it's gonna all dissolve. Otherwise it's gonna
That was so yummy.
That making me really curious.
I know, it really was so cool.
That's gonna be one of the
Oh. It's so yummy. It's so cool. You gotta do that.
We're gonna do
No, we're not
it.
gonna. We're gonna take your word for it.
Whole thing though.
That's like that keeping the hot chocolate fancy low.
You can like pour some in. Make it higher.
Well, nothing else.
Okay, we get no. We need a new cup.
Why do we have enough for all of us?
Up to the top.
I'm
Yeah,
just
that
gonna
was
keep filling it up. So it's good.
That was way good
Do
though.
it the other way. Do it the
That
other
was
way.
so
The other way.
No.
No, I mean like
That was
for
so
that way.
yummy.
Wait, do we have these in the
How
safe?
come it melts so quickly? I don't know, but I hope so.
Sarah, maybe you can send
Did
us
you buy them
some.
at
Oh God! Making a mess.
Oh, look! Good thing we have lots of Tronics here.
No, it's like the H.
I know,
I'll
that's
put some hot chocolate now.
Hey, wait! Don't drink it all before you need to fill it up again.
Ready? Hot chocolate.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
It's like water.
It's like really sugary water.
Take cookie more.
All in your mouth. All.
Did you get it?
Isn't that cool?
You're making me really curious.
Like Sarah number 2.
Run it in, girls.
All right, Sarah.
I'm out of men's.
It's like your initiation.
It is really good. Wow. Can't believe we've never
Can we
had
get
that.
someone to send those for us for like the last
It's like magic.
Garrett's mom is coming home.
Oh, and
Yeah.
they won't send us anything because they have the free FedEx.
They're actually coming here, but they could, yeah.
Can we have like FedEx?
That's the best.
They have free everything. He only had to pay $30 to come here to Costa Rica and back.
You know what? I should have just had him FedEx that thing instead of putting it in my carry-on and getting stuck in Miami. Just saying.
Okay, wait, everyone.
All right.
Oh.
Her mental's coming.
Her mental.
Mental enjoyment.
All in all in.
Sarah's like,
How good? Is
All
it
over
good?
you. Really good.
Oh, hurry! I'm getting anxious.
Because you're gonna do it with the.
I'll do it
Yes.
right. I'll do it right. Oh my goodness.
Good. At first I was like, I don't like soggy things. But
Me either.
Yeah, no, it's just
It just
melts.
like melts.
Yeah. Yeah, Kristen, I don't like soggy
Yeah.
things. Me either. I don't dip my Oreos in milk.
Me either.
I did my Oreos.
Or
But
yeah,
I
I
do
dip
not.
right after.
I love dipped cookies.
Kristen doesn't even put milk in her cereal though.
Mm-mm. Oh wow.
okay, yeah.
I don't like soggy things.
Isn't soggy just like meltable chocolate?
No, it's hard to do.
It is.
Soggy?
Yeah, I like your sharing with us, Sarah.
It's the event that is
water.
so
It's very
exciting.
strange.
Yeah.
Oh, that was really good.
We need to get Garrett Thompson or something.
Yeah. Careful, you're about to spill it.
And have a party.
Right.
Okay.
With all the boys too.
Oh, really?
Wait.
Oh, sure.
They bring them down.
I wonder who came up with that.
I think we'll enjoy watching it. Emily looks like a little gorilla.
Need more hot chocolate in the cup.
looks
There's
like a
more
little
over here.
I know this is so built up.
I know.
It's really good though.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good.
Everyone's like,
It's not overly built up though.
it is
You
taking a
could zoom in on this, but you can't.
He sucked it up. Did you taste the liquid on the other side?
On the other side.
Is it good? I didn't because I didn't.
Yeah!
And you started making me
Okay,
laugh.
TV cookie.
No, I don't have my cookie.
There's one left.
Sarah, you get to do it again.
Yeah, because we need her on
Yeah,
the
I
video.
Oh, okay. I don't mind.
She's like, I'll take it for the team.
They're good just
video.
alone. I don't want hot
chocolate.
I'm good.
Okay.
I don't want to put it in there. It's just
No, you have to.
I know. I didn't want to either. What are you gonna do if I don't?
I'll take it away from you.
You'll be uninitiated.
You have to suck hard because you made really little bites.
Suck hard. Suck hard.
That's what he said.
Hurry,
Leave
hurry,
it!
hurry!
See?
It's way
Right?
easier than you would think. Hurry, hurry.
Okay, Sarah.
Alright,
Okay,
Sarah.
okay, okay.
Hey, give me this girl.
Alright. Are you ready for this? Our guide and
sound.
teacher.
The other sound.
Yeah.
Oh, that is
Alright.
really good.
Okay.
It's the world famous Tim Tam, the largest, most delicious cookie you can find in Australia. I brought it back for everyone here in Costa Rica. Alright now, I'm going to do the world famous Tim Tam slam. Oh, what a beaut! Oh, it's beautiful. Right, 1 second, I'm going to digest this. Hold on 1 moment. Notice how I'm lowering the cookie down to the level of the hot chocolate so I can use this as a straw.
Ew.
Once the liquid's sucked up, oh wow. Fluffy, what a beaut!